Assalamu alaikum. So today's video is quite interesting actually. There is this one marker challenge going on YouTube where you use any one watercolor marker and paint whole painting with it. So I thought why not give it a try. So that's what we'll be doing today. I actually don't use markers, so I will be using my Pelkan watercolors and I'll pick one color to paint this female character with. So let's speed up the process a little bit. So I'm outlining my character with my waterproof snowman drawing pen so I don't lose the details while applying water to it, and also it will make it prominent. So for this challenge I'm gonna use Indian red color, Alberto brush number 1 and 3, and my as usual 2 water containers, and last but not the least Corona 000 brush for details, no pun intended. This Corona brush is actually a USA brand and it's very good for small details. I especially use it for painting eyebrows and eyelashes in portraits and other tiny details. Also, speaking about coronavirus, I hope everyone is staying home because that is the only safe place to avoid it, and I hope it will end soon. Well, getting back to the actual work, I forgot to add the part where I swatch the color to see which tones I can get from it, from lighter to darker tones. You can see it in the end in the picture. Also, a quick tip is that always start from lighter to darker tones because you can't make it lighter after applying darker tone on the paper. in the end I use white gel pen for some tiny highlights, and yup, we are done. So don't forget to share your opinions in the comment section, and also for more work check my Instagram account, links are in description, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.